Okay guys, look what came today. I'm so excited. Now, I know I showed you this already, but look what color. Black. How exciting. So it came just like this from Amazon, so I'm a little nervous about what it's going to look like. Let's see what this looks like. Oh my god. Register product, blah, blah, blah. Oh my goodness. Okay. It's a little bit of scuffing here, but oh my god, look at this mat though. It's so nice. This is metal handle. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. What is it gonna look like? Oh, shoot. Look at that. That sucks. It's all chipped. Now, this is no longer available. That sucks. Okay, maybe I'm going to... we'll see. I'll see about that. But... I'm so conflicted. Do I keep it because it's not available anymore? I got this shit for a good deal and for like pretty much a steal. And I don't know how this is supposed to sit. Something seems off. Something seems off. Oh, maybe it's like that. Maybe it's like that. Help. Okay, that's better. Wow. Look, like, I love how this looks. This is so... Oh my god, it is so Halloween. I don't know if I'm going to use this for soup or for a candy dish, but I really do like the matted black look. Oh my god, look at that. Oh no, there too. Okay, well, we'll see what happens. I'll keep you posted, but this looks so good. Other than that little chip, which I could probably get past. I'm not gonna use it for cooking anyways. Cool.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and check out the Lilies and Loafers channel for more good stuff. We'll see you soon.